Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country within your Quotex account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in quotex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Quotex website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner in order to proceed with logging in to your account. Once you are logged in, using your email address and password or your social accounts, you will be taken into your dashboard. Now, if you wish to change your country or your region, click on the account option at the left side, which will then take you into your account page. Now, if you haven't already fulfilled your personal data, you will be able to fulfill this by entering all of your information. Within this section, you will also find the country drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down button and then choose your country or region. And once you have selected your country, click on the save button, and this will now save your country or region and change it to the one that you just selected right away. You can come back to this menu and then click on the drop-down menu to change your country as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your country on Quotex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.